Namaste everyone. Welcome to Divine Veda YouTube channel. I hope you guys are enjoying our effort on building the awareness about Ayurveda and its concepts to lead a healthy life. As mentioned in our previous videos, we are giving exciting giveaways to one lucky subscriber every week. So last week's lucky subscriber was Mr. Shrikant Kulkarni. Congratulations Mr. Shrikant. Thank you for your immense support. Do support us in our upcoming videos as well. Please watch this video till the end to know this week's active subscriber. As winter is around the corner, how are you preparing for your winter? Do you know the regimens explained in Ayurveda to be followed particularly in winter season? This video is about the same. There are particular regimens explained in Ayurveda to be followed particularly in winter season, so that we are protected from cold, cough and fever and other diseases which are predominantly seen in winter season. So let's start the video. Firstly, let's see what Ayurveda explains about the winter season. In Ayurveda, winter season is called as Hemanta Rutu and is considered under Dakshinayana or Visarga Kala, also known as southern solstice. This Visarga Kala comprises of three seasons, namely Varsha, Sharat and Hemanta Rutu. In this period of Visarga Kala, the moon is more powerful and the sun loses his strength as the earth becomes cold by the clouds, rain and cold wind. In this period, the strength of the person will be maximum as compared to the northern solstice or Uttarayana. So talking about the winter season or Hemanta Rutu, it falls from mid-November to mid-January every year. During this season, strength is gained in us with strong digestive power because it gets obstructed from flowing outward due to the external winter. This causes the skin pores to close in order to protect the heat of the body from moving out, and due to this increased warmth inside the body, we feel more hunger in the winter season. Along with this, the metabolism in the body also becomes sluggish and energy levels are also low. To protect ourselves from the winter, the body produces lots of energy, which in turn leads to increased warmth in the body, which means increased digestive power. This makes the digestive system capable of processing even heavy food items and large quantities. To meet the capacity of the strong digestive power, the intake of food predominant with sweet, sour and salty are advisable, as these are generally considered heavier taste to get digested than others. Having soups or stews are said to be best in winter season, as they can balance the dominant vata and kapha constituents in the body. Cooked food should be eaten in warm condition. Spices such as black pepper, ginger, garlic are used more to maintain the warmth in the body. Milk and milk products can also be included. Here is a list of food substances that can be included in winter season. Under vegetables, beetroots, carrots, corn, eggplant, ginger, garlic, onions, mashed potatoes, pumpkins and tomatoes. Under fruits, oranges, guava, papaya, pineapple, lemon, dates, figs and grapes. Grains such as bajra, makai, wheat, millets, maize, grams, moong, masoor dal, etc. can be included. Legumes such as peas, beans, etc. and nuts and oil seeds help increase the warmth of the body. And under meat, chicken, eggs, lobster, pork, fish, etc. can be included. Under beverages, hot beverages such as black tea, warm water, coffee, herbal teas, etc. can be included. Let's see the foods that are to be avoided in winter season. Foods that are predominant with bitter, spicy and astringent taste. Cold substances and light foods such as refrigerated items or cold beverages are to be avoided. As winter is characterized by long nights and short days, this gives the body and mind enough time to relax, which is much needed. As much as relaxation is important in winter, complete absence of activities can be lethargic and gloomy. So to beat this lethargy, practicing any kind of physical activities like yoga or pranayama will keep the energy level balanced. Some of the yoga postures that help to build warmth in the body are Kapalbhati Pranayama, Surya Namaskar, Shalabhasana, Naukasana, ಸೇತುಬಂಧ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗಾಸನ, ಫಲಕಾಸನ, ಸುಪ್ತಬದ್ಧ ಕೋಣಾಸನ, ಬಾಲಾಸನ, ಸೂಚಿರಂಧ್ರಾಸನ, ಆಂಜನೇಯಾಸನ, ಪ್ರಸರಿತ ಪಾದೋತ್ಥಾನಾಸನ and Ekapada Rajakapotasana. The other lifestyle practices which can be followed are oil massage, bathing with lukewarm water, exposure to sunlight, wearing warm clothes, etc. Cold weather or cold winds in the winter means there is less humidity or moisture in the air. This can be very harsh on our skin, which shows up as dryness or cracks in the skin, scaly skin, or even cracks in the lips. In such conditions, applying only moisturizer may not be enough to help cope with the winter harshness. So here are some skincare tips to be followed, particularly in winter season, to protect our skin. Firstly, use a moisturizer that is oil-based and not water-based, or simply use coconut oil or olive oil or even ghee to moisturize the skin. Hydrate your skin by drinking lots of water, especially warm water in winter. Change the use of alcohol or fragrance-based soaps and skin products to organic soaps or oil-based soaps and keep your showers shorter. You can use gram floor or basin to exfoliate, scrub, or even to moisturize the skin. Use lukewarm water to wash your face always. And lastly, don't forget to moisturize your skin before going to bed with coconut oil or olive oil. Now it's time to announce this week's active subscriber. The active subscriber of this week is Mr. Chidambar K. Congratulations, Mr. Chidambar. Thank you for your immense support and do keep supporting us in our upcoming videos as well. Now let's see some of the snacks to binge on in the winter season which are healthy and helps manage our hunger pangs in winter. These are soaked almonds, roasted cashews, dry grapes, walnuts, roasted or boiled peanuts, fruits such as orange and guava, delicacies made out of mixture of til seeds and jaggery or peanuts and jaggery, delicacies made out of edible gum or also called as gond makes our body warm and our tummy full. So these were some of the foods that are healthy as well as help in controlling our hunger pangs in the winter. I hope this video helps to be prepared for the winter. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Do give your feedback in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos and to win exciting giveaway of worth ₹500 every week. Until next time, take care and thank you for watching this video.